up, y'all? It's the girl with the guy's name, gang. Know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. So we jumping right into it. This is going to be a tutorial, as you can see by the title, for Final Cut Pro X. And if you guys hear noise, it's like they're doing construction. So bear with me. All right. So in this video, I've gotten a lot of requests in my Facebook group about how to make a subscriber button. So I'm going to show you. So first thing you want to do is exit out of Final Cut Pro, and you're going to go to YouTube. We're going to type in YouTube subscribe button green screen. Now this is very similar to the last video that I just posted when we downloaded the MP4 file. We're going to do the exact same thing. So you have a variety of options. So you can do this. You can kind of just skim through all of these videos, because a couple of people put these green screens up where you can just download it with these steps I'm about to show y'all. So we're gonna just go to the one that I usually use, because if you guys watch my videos, y'all know that this is the one that I usually go to. So since y'all used to seeing this in my videos, I'm gonna just show y'all how to put this in y'all video. And what we're gonna do first is we're gonna copy and paste this link. That's the first thing we're going to do. So Command C to copy, and then we're going to open up another tab, and we're going to go to Google, and we're going to go to YouTube MP4 downloader. And now we're just going to look up YouTube MP4 downloader. I usually really like Online Video Converter for one particular reason, and always just exit out of these ads. So we're just going to paste Command V, and if you want to download a song or convert this video into a song, an audio file, an MP3 file, you can just go back to YouTube, look up your favorite song that you want in your YouTube video, paste the link, and then make sure that the format is on MP3 so you can download the song, just the audio file of the video. But since we want to have the button, we're going to do the format as MP4 video file, and then we're going to press start. We're going to download it right here. And as you can see, it's going to be right at the bottom left of your desktop, and now it's saved on your desktop. We're going to exit out of Google Chrome. We're going to go back onto Final Cut Pro, and we're going to go up to the top left corner. First thing I'm going to do is just expand my timeline so that I know what I'm working with, just stretch everything out. And we're going to go to the top left corner, and we're going to press that import arrow, and I'm going to go down to the subscriber button green screen that we just downloaded. And I'm going to take this off of my desktop, and I'm going to import it into Final Cut Pro. So we're just going to drag and drop. I thought that it was the video down here, but it's actually all the way at the top. So we're just gonna drag and drop. You can use these yellow brackets too to shorten the clip and then drop it, but I like to kind of just use the blade tool to cut it once it's in the timeline. And usually the reason why the video is so high is because I have so many layers back there, but usually the video will be like right on top of each other. So yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just drag this kind of playback cursor, this red playback bar here, and I'm gonna drag it to where I want it to start and where I want it to end. So I'm just gonna drag it to the left, and I want it to be right before that little red button jumps up, and we're just gonna press where I want it to cut, Command B, and then we're gonna delete that unwanted clip before that. And now I'm gonna drag it to where I want it to end. So I'm just kind of dragging this playback bar and just kind of sliding the screen over, and we're gonna move this green screen effect over, and we're gonna just see where it ends. And I don't want it to be where anything else begins. I want it to be right when that play button disappears, and we're gonna press right where we want it to cut, Command B, and just delete that. So now what you'll have is these two clips. But what you'll notice is that, let me just drag this bar here. What you'll notice is that, okay, we cropped the video to our liking, but this is still, we can't see this. We still see this green screen. So how do we get rid of that, right? You're going to go over to the right. You're going to click this right here, this top. It looks like a bow tie, and that's our transitions. Sorry, we're not going to go to transitions. I'm just looking at my video and just doing the voiceover, not even realizing you're not going to go in your transitions. I'm going to wait until I realize that I made a mistake. Okay, so you go to your effects. So it looks like two boxes overlaid on top of each other. So you're going to go down to Keyer right here. Now what you're going to do is drop this, and it creates a mask, and there you have it. So it just kind of creates a mask over the green color with the black and white. And now you have your button here. And what you want to do is make sure that this clip is highlighted. And you see these dots here, like these dots around the perimeter. This is called transform. This is when you're transforming an object, right? You always want to make sure that it's on transform when you want to move it or resize it. And I'm going to show you why, because if you accidentally have it on crop, you're going to try to move it and you're like, why isn't it moving? But the crop tool is simply just to crop an object. Like if you just wanted the words without the bell or the button, but you want to make sure that it's always on transform when you're trying to move it or resize it. So I'm just playing around with it. And in order for you to keep the resolution, you always want to make sure you either use this button over here with the scale all, or you use the points on the corners. Always make sure that you move diagonally when you're trying to resize it so you can keep the resolution, because if you try to use these in the middle, you kind of see how it looks squished up and it doesn't look right. So just go all the way over here and press reset. So it goes right back to how it was when you downloaded it, and you just can resize it to your liking. And I'm just going to make it right in this. First I was going to do it down here, but I'm like, no, this is like at the end of a potential intro. And this is one of my intro animations. So you can always book me to make your intros, you guys. Or you can book me for a one-on-one so that I can teach you how to do your own intros. And there you have it. Your subscribe button with your notification bell. And yes, there you go. So something that I did want to mention to you guys. Let me just exit out of here and just open this up. Like I said, you guys, you can book me for a one-on-one to teach you how to do your own intros, or you can book me to do your intros. I also teach my students in my ebook, my 8-Day YouTube Starter Kit for Melanin Queens, on how to build your entire YouTube channel and launch your YouTube channel for $69.97, just to teach you in 8 days how to basically build your YouTube channel up for success, all on your iPhone, no professional equipment. And if you go to the link in my Instagram, you can basically see these buttons will bring you to different ways to reach me, or different things that you may be interested in. One of the things, because you're one of my boo-boo kitties and you're a subscriber, I have these free gifts for you. You can download my 5-day iPhone photography challenge, my affirmation guide on how to teach you how to overcome anxiety on camera, my cheat sheet, as well as my 15-minute brand niche exercise, as well as my 7-day Sophie challenge. That was a long breath. I don't know why I was scrolling so fast, but I'm trying to do the voiceover, so bear with me, boo kitties, bear with me, y'all. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Make sure that you like and comment and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I will be uploading a video. This upcoming video, I will be making sure that I will show you how to add the subscriber buttons on your iPhone, and then afterwards I will be doing how to add the social media buttons. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye, boo.